Good day, the Special Youth Leadership Foundation, the head teacher, and my fellow students. I'm here to read an appreciation letter.
I just got to know about these special people called Special Youth Leadership Foundation.
Distinguished members of the Special Youth Leadership Foundation, it is with a heart full of gratitude that I stand on behalf of the Imo State Center to express our deepest appreciation to you for organizing this remarkable vocational skills summer training for us. Over the course of this program, we have not only learned valuable skills, but we have been empowered with tools that can shape our future.
These kids, they need someone they can look up to, because in as much now is concerned, I discovered that everybody needs to be motivated for something.
The things I noticed from them was their academics, and most times they come back home, they normally carry their books, read and study together, which I love seeing them like that.
We learned about how to make liquid soap. I feel good producing this type of thing because it makes me feel special among my colleagues.
I want to become a doctor. It has helped me. If I'm not see the doctor opportunity, I can still use solar to attend myself.
It teaches us that wherever we go, our skills can never leave us, that we can use it and go far in life.
And this foundation has given me more opportunity to impart more knowledge to children from different areas and locations.
I'm so happy. It has created a lot of positive impacts in the life of the children since we started the lesson program. It has been of benefit. At least I've been getting testimonies from parents.
So when this program came, I saw it as an opportunity to also move these students and make them at least have one or two ideas about these skills so that they can also help themselves.
The program has impacted community. You can see the children around here. Most of them, their parents don't have the opportunity to give them these things this foundation has given them. Most of them would have been at home roaming about, but they are here learning one or two things. They are enjoying themselves. You see them playing at the field. You see them working in pairs. You see them doing everything as if that is.
This program has truly opened doors of opportunities for many young persons here. Your commitment to equipping youths with practical skills is a clear investment in our generation and in the brighter future we all hope to build. You have shown us that empowerment is not only about words, but about giving people the knowledge and the ability to stand on their own. On behalf of all the participants, I say thank you. Thank you for your generosity, your vision, your dedication, your commitment towards mankind. We promise that we cannot take it for granted. We will carry these lessons with us, apply them in our lives, and in turn, pass them on to the others. We pray that the good work you have started to continue to grow, and may you be richly blessed for the many lives you are touching. Thank you, Jonathan Confident.